10 Strategies to Break Free from Financial Stress. A few years ago, I found myself drowning in bills, facing the stress of financial instability. If you've been in this situation, you know the toll it takes on your well-being. The good news is, I navigated my way out. And today, I'm sharing tips, tricks, and strategies to help you escape financial turmoil and take control of your personal finances. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Keep track of your spending. Tracking expenses may sound like a cliche piece of financial advice, but its effectiveness cannot be overstated. Every penny spent deserves to be accounted for. This meticulous scrutiny not only reveals inefficient spending patterns, but also cultivates better financial practices. As Peter Drucker wisely said, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. This underscores the importance of gaining a comprehensive understanding of your spending habits to exercise better control over your financial well-being. The process of tracking expenses is akin to shining a light on your financial landscape, bringing clarity to where your money is flowing. It serves as a reality check, allowing you to identify areas where you might be overspending or overlooking potential savings. By breaking down your expenses into categories, you gain valuable insights into your financial habits, paving the way for informed decision-making. In essence, expense tracking is not just about numbers. It's a strategic tool for financial management. It empowers you to take charge of your financial destiny, guiding you towards wiser spending choices and improved budgeting. So, embrace the habit of tracking your expenses. It's a small step that can lead to significant financial empowerment and a more secure financial future. Make a budget. Budgeting may initially seem like a daunting task, but it's a potent tool that can significantly shape your financial future. Consider it an investment for your economic well-being. Building and maintaining a budget is a proactive step forward financial stability. To make the process more manageable, create, update, and review your budget regularly. Leverage the convenience of digital apps and software designed for seamless budget management. These tools can streamline the process, providing you with a clearer picture of your financial landscape. Think of your budget as a financial roadmap, guiding you toward your goals and aspirations. It allows you to allocate your resources intentionally, ensuring that your money is working for you in the most effective way. Regular reviews of your budget empower you to adapt to changing circumstances, refine your financial goals, and stay on course toward achieving them. Remember, budgeting is not a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process that evolves with your financial journey. So, embrace the power of budgeting as a tool to build a more secure and prosperous financial future. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Set limits on unbudgeted spending. Giving in to impulsive purchases can provide temporary emotional satisfaction, but it can be detrimental to your overall financial health. To counteract this tendency, consider implementing the 1% rule. Wait 24 hours before making any purchase that exceeds 1% of your yearly income. This intentional cooling-off period acts as a safeguard against impulsive spending, fostering a healthier financial mindset. The 1% rule encourages thoughtful consideration and evaluation before committing to significant expenses. By taking a step back and allowing a day to pass, you provide yourself with the opportunity to assess whether the purchase aligns with your financial goals and priorities. This simple yet powerful strategy helps prevent rash decisions that may lead to regret and financial strain. Ultimately, the 1% rule is not about restricting your spending, but about introducing a deliberate pause that enables you to make more informed and mindful choices. It's a practical tool that promotes financial responsibility and aligns your spending habits with your long-term financial well-being. Save for big purchases. Steering clear of spontaneous large purchases is a prudent financial practice. Instead, consider saving up for significant expenses, as this not only enhances your bargaining power but can also lead to lower prices or improved financing terms. Saving up ensures that you make informed decisions and acts as a safeguard against unnecessary debt. When you save for a major expense, you are essentially building a financial cushion that affords you the luxury of time and negotiation. Whether it's negotiating a better price on a big-ticket item or securing more favorable financing terms, having the funds readily available puts you in a stronger position. This financial preparedness allows you to explore various options, compare prices, and ultimately make a well-informed decision that aligns with your budget and financial goals. Read books about finance. Knowledge is financial power. Books on finance equip you with insights for informed decision-making. Consider it a continuous learning process, sharpening your financial acumen. Being financially literate positions you for success in budgeting, saving, investing, and overall financial stability. Lower your monthly bills. Reducing monthly expenses is key to financial control. Examine your variable costs and explore ways to save on utilities, insurance, or groceries. Negotiate better deals or seek bulk discounts. Prudent spending allows for a larger budget in the long run. Eat at home. Home-cooked meals can significantly cut costs compared to dining out. Develop a weekly food plan, gradually incorporating more home-cooked meals. It not only saves money but also offers an opportunity for culinary education. Pay off your debt. High-interest debt, especially on credit cards, is a financial burden. Prioritize debt repayment to free up your monthly budget. Negotiate lower interest rates and consider consolidating loans for a more manageable repayment plan. Stop using credit cards. While credit cards offer convenience, they can lead to financial pitfalls. If you're struggling, stop using credit cards and transition to cash or debit cards. This discipline prevents accumulating more debt and encourages responsible spending. Implement spending fast. As spending fast, refraining from discretionary purchases for a set period, reshapes your spending behaviors. Consider it a financial detox, focusing on needs rather than wants. This practice boosts your bank account, alters behaviors, and fosters a deep understanding of your financial priorities. By mastering these strategies, you can break free from financial stress and take charge of your financial destiny. Remember, financial control is a journey, not a destination. If you have questions, leave a comment below. Once again, this is Ash Cash Dash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.